Reprogram your mind for money. Fast, stop scrolling. Seriously, because what you're about to hear could decide whether the next few years of your life look exactly the same or completely different. Most people never reprogram their mind for money. They just repeat the same habits, the same thoughts, the same struggles. But you're here. And that means something inside you already knows change is possible. Stay until the end, because the final insight connects everything you're about to hear. And once you see it, you won't think about money the same way again. Don't leave. This is where your shift begins. Here's the truth no one tells you early enough. Money follows patterns, not wishes. If your mind is programmed for survival, you'll survive. If it's programmed for growth, wealth begins to chase you. Most people never question their money beliefs. They inherit them. You didn't choose your first money story, but you can choose the next one. And that decision starts now. The real reason money feels slow is about to be revealed. Your brain was trained long before you ever earned a dollar. Every comment you heard, every fear you absorbed, every be realistic planted code in your mind. And that code runs your financial life on autopilot. But here's the breakthrough. Anything programmed can be reprogrammed. The wealthy don't think differently by accident. They trained it. What comes next shows how fast change can actually happen. Let me tell you about Alex. Same job, same bills, same stress every year. Until one moment, one decision, where he stopped asking, "Why am I broke?" and started asking, "What would my wealthiest self do today?" That shift didn't make him rich overnight, but it made him unstoppable. Opportunities appeared because his actions finally matched growth. You're closer to this shift than you think. If this message is hitting something deep inside you, hit like right now, not for the algorithm, but as a signal to yourself that you're done thinking small. Comment below, "I am upgrading my money mindset now." And share this video with the word upgrade, because when you share growth, it often comes back multiplied. Now stay, because speed is about to increase. Here's how fast reprogramming begins. Awareness, repetition, and action. Catch the old thought. Replace it immediately. Act from the new identity. Do this daily and momentum builds shockingly fast. Your mind adapts quicker than you were ever told. The moment your thoughts shift, your decisions shift. And money always follows decisions. You're entering the acceleration phase. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about alignment. When your goals, habits, and beliefs point in the same direction, results stop resisting you. This is why some people seem to suddenly succeed. It wasn't sudden. It was invisible work paying off. And that same invisible work is happening in you right now. Don't miss the final connection. Ask yourself this honestly. If nothing changes in your thinking, what will your finances look like next year? Now imagine choosing differently, today. That's the power moment. That's where the future bends. You don't need permission to grow. You don't need perfect timing. You need decision. The final truth is coming. This is the key. Here it is. Money moves toward the person you are becoming, not the person you used to be. Reprogramming your mind isn't slow. It's resisted only until you commit. Once you do, results accelerate. You don't chase wealth. You align with it. And alignment starts internally. You've already started. Now don't stop. Subscribe to Money Mastery X and turn on the bell, because every video here is designed to rebuild your mindset for real wealth. Not hype, not shortcuts, but transformation. Watch all the videos on this channel. Each one unlocks another layer of financial thinking. This isn't just content. This is training for your future self. Go to the next video now. Your upgrade continues.